Well done today. You found out what you needed to find out. You got your solutions. You now know that you're owed 3 years, well, May 22, 23, 24, 25 and a whole lot more. So you now know you're owed 4 years of government money for your farming. You now know that the Christian people's politician who's in charge of the area is scared of you. Why, what, for whatever reason. And you also know he's not a man of God because he lied to you, or he had his secretary lie to you. You know, and well done that you can talk for nearly 3 hours live straight and not break a sweat while doing it. Well done, you achieved your goal and you fulfilled your mission of the day. What you can do though better is do it a bit quicker so you can spend more time with your animals tomorrow. But anyway, tomorrow's a new day, so like you always say, on we go. Choo choo! God is great. God is, oh, thank you for everything you've given me. Thank you for the strength. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for your eyes. Thank you for your ears. Thank you for your tongue. And thank you for your heart. So you let me see, feel and hear the wisdom. Talk and stay in peace. Thank you for everything.